Hey everybody, welcome back to Lori's Boston Found, where thrifted is the new black. My name is Lori. I am here in my basement. This is my studio space where all the magic happens and all the mess happens as well. I have been struggling filming upstairs with everybody home this summer, so I thought I would take this opportunity to just come downstairs and see how I like filming down here. I mean, I have the lighting already set up for photographing, and the light that's down here is actually stronger than the one upstairs. It's pretty confined here in my basement. It's so quiet. If the dogs are barking, I feel like it will be off in the distance. Anyway, hello. If you're new here, welcome. I'm a full-time reseller on Poshmark and on eBay, and I share my reselling journey with you here on my channel. This is going to be a quick video because I got some mail from a couple of viewers. I figured I would open them here with you, but one is actually going to be a haul because some angel named Greg sent me a box of new with tag items. And you're not going to believe what is in this box. So I'm going to read my letters and share with you the stuff that I got. If that sounds good, stick around. I'll be right back. So first up was a package that I received from Stacy in Las Vegas. Hey Stacy. This was especially a great gift because Stacy had messaged me a while ago and said, I sent you something. Did you get it? I went to my P.O. box. I checked twice, the item wasn't there, and I just have like a little P.O. box, but if it's a large package, they always put a key inside, and then I take the key and I go to the larger locker, and then they'll put bigger items in the larger locker. So on 2 occasions, I had been to my P.O. box, I had a key, I went to the locker, opened it up, and there was a package from somebody else or something else, a return or whatever. And so I kept saying to Stacy, I'm so sorry I haven't received your package. Angelina's boyfriend loves to cook and he has a thing for Guy Fieri, and Angie's always making fun of him. So Angie wanted to get him like a flame button-down shirt. So I found one on Poshmark, we ordered it, and it came in. So we were running errands and I said, Angie, here's my key. I have to answer a couple emails. You run into the post office. Gave her my P.O. box and the key. She went in. I guess at the post office, they said, hey, this is, Lori's P.O. box or whatever, said the number of my P.O. box. And Angie's like, yes. And they said, we have some packages waiting for you. They've been here for a while. They had them behind the counter, which is weird. This was mailed over 2-3 weeks ago and I finally got it. So here's the card from Stacy. Thank you so much, Stacy, for your sweet letter. Stacy sent me this awesome tie-dye t-shirt from Ray Dunn that says lucky. Get it? I mean, I'm very lucky in general. I feel very blessed, but also my pup, Lucky. It's this nice, cozy, soft cotton tie-dye shirt, and I absolutely love it. Thank you so much, Stacy. That was so sweet of you. And also, she gave me a mug, but I used it this morning with coffee, so that is upstairs. It feels so quiet in here, you guys. I wonder how the sound's gonna be. All right, this is the other box that came in the mail. This blew me away. Hi, Lori. Dropping you a quick note with a surprise mystery new with tag box. Sending this as a thank you for your fantastic YouTube content. Oh my gosh, thank you. I have recently had to stop selling on Posh, eBay, etc. and focus on a new job and relocating. As a result, I have a large quantity of inventory to redistribute. I hope you find these items useful and suitable for your closet. Keep up the great work on YouTube. Thank you, Greg. Oh my goodness, you guys. I am just humbled. Thank you so much to Stacy. Thank you, Greg, for this awesome box. And I'm going to open it with you. I've looked at some of the brands. A lot of them are packaged up, but I'm going to open them here with you, and you're going to see how incredible this is. So first up is this. I'm going to film them today. Caitlin is out looking at colleges. Caitlin is my assistant. She's a high school student. So I'm in my studio, so I'm just going to prep stuff for her. But this is a J. Crew top in a size extra large, and it has like a little bit of metallic through it. Nice like pop over with the little tassels, beautiful bright colors. I mean, I would have been excited with just this. Isn't this so pretty? Check it out. I love it. Size extra large. You know what's funny? I always say that the J. Crew with the cursive lettering is the new tag, but now this has the block lettering. So let me just see what year this is from. I'm determined to get this video in under 15 minutes because I am so chatty. Summer of 2020. Okay. I thought they were already making the cursive tag in 2020. All right. Next up, another top from J. Crew, and I love selling J. Crew, especially when it's new with tag and I can find some really cute photos. This is a large. Oh my gosh, I think I'm gonna end up keeping some of these. Oh, how cute is this? Look at the little puffy sleeves, and it has all this like smocking up here. This is so cute. Look at the detail on this. This is a size large. His last name is on the packaging, and then I tried to find him on Instagram, but honestly, this was like an angel out of the sky. Maybe we've talked on Instagram, and I'm embarrassed if we had, but nobody under the name of Greg. All right, these are Democracy jeans in a size 16. Look at these cool zippers right here. This little zipper detail, that's kind of fun. Oh, I didn't know if like the whole pocket came down. Democracy is an interesting brand. I don't know if you guys follow Amber Resells on YouTube, but she does some really fantastic analytical videos where she compares pricing, and she approaches things so differently than I do. I feel like I'm such an emotional shopper, and she looks at things and like just looks at the bottom line, looks at what brands are selling well. In Democracy, I believe, Amber, if you're watching, correct me if I'm wrong, I believe that this was one of the brands that had like a pretty awesome sell-through rate. And I have to say, I've never picked these up, but it's good to know they retail for $78. So I have to go back and check her video out or check out comps on the brand Democracy. But I think this was one of the brands that does like surprisingly well. Oh, another benefit of filming here in my basement is I can just grab inventory for my video. I have this Girl Supporting Girls. I love this sweatshirt. Don't mind me. My hair is ratchet right now. I need it colored. It's kind of brassy looking. And what was I going to say? Oh, and it's been raining for like 4 days straight here. So the frizz is a real issue. Anyways, this is available in my closet. This is an extra large. A bunch of them are on hangers. I don't know what I'm going to price these things at. All right, so he sent me 2 of these tops by Splendid. The MSRP on these is $108. I really like the brand Splendid. The resale just isn't there, but I always think their pieces are really cute. How cute. This has like the little tie in the front. I love that it's a crop top. This one is an extra small, and this one is a medium. It's always so nice to have two items that you can get out of one listing. So that is great to have a multi-quantity listing, I'm sorry. And this is just navy blue stripes with buttons down the front. I'm looking really rough, guys. Oh my gosh, this brand, Hanro of Switzerland. I had never heard of this brand before. And you guys you've probably heard me talk about it on my channel because I discovered it when I was shopping at one of my favorite stores. I found just a real basic shirt and it felt really soft, so I decided to look it up because it said of Switzerland, and usually I like to do my homework on European brands. And sure enough, it had great comps, and I think I sold like a t-shirt. It almost feels like it's like loungewear for $30. And then just last week, I had a nightgown, like a very simple like black slip nightgown that sold for $30 as well. So this is a great brand to be on the lookout for. I think I've only bought 2 pieces, sold 2 pieces, both around that $30 price point. So definitely a great brand. So I'm curious what this will be new with tag, maybe 50. Isn't this so nice? It's like an oatmeal color, just a dress, very simple. I don't know if I would call this lag and look because I'm not sure if it's a nightgown or an actual dress. I think it's a real dress, but I'll have to look and see. I have a couple accessories and then I'm going to share the last thing with you. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. I love Havaiana flip-flops, and I feel like the Savers near me marks them up all the time. It's almost like Toms or Crocs. They always get marked up. But this is so cool because they're actual little sparkles here, but then there's a graphic of sparkles on the insole here. So these are made in Brazil. These are really fun. I remember when I went to Miami with Jay a couple years ago, they had a Havaiana store. They're just really fun flip-flops. They retail, this is $36 new with tag. So usually if I buy them pre-owned, I'll pick them up at places like the Bins or anywhere I can get them for like $3 or less. And then I think I've sold a couple pairs for like $18, $20 around there. But I personally really love my Havaianas. And if these were in my size, I would keep them because how cute is that little sparkle? There it is. Yeah, so $36. I cannot believe this box. I just cannot believe it. Okay, this was so cute. I saw this and I'm like, oh, that's adorable, that little flag bag. And then I realized it was the sack. How adorable. And then the stripes here. I really like selling the sack bags. They do well. They're lightweight. The suggested retail on this is $35. I'll have to check this out because it's very unique. I probably should have checked my mail sooner because I may have had this there since July 4th. I don't know. I do have Greg's P.O. box, so I'm going to send him a thank you letter in the mail, but I wish I could reach him immediately to thank him. But this is the classic mini is the style. I can't get over how quiet this room is. It's so peaceful right now. I feel so peaceful. The last video that I filmed, and I think this will come out before, I was so stressed because the dogs barked like 3 times during the video. The mail person came to my door. Lulu was looking out the window and saw Angelina drive up the street in her car. She started barking. It was like one of those crazy videos that took me like 2 hours to film, like 35 minutes of footage. So I feel so at peace down here. Okay, are you ready? Are you ready for the last piece? Look at this. They sent me Johnny Was. Johnny Was, and it even came on this cute hanger. Johnny Was Calm or Calme is the line. Double tassel peasant blouse in extra small. MSRP $250. I mean, oh my goodness. Thank you so much. I can't even believe this. I mean, it's just like a simple little Johnny Was top. It doesn't have any extra embroidery, but it's Johnny Was. I mean, somebody gifted me. I just love this so much. It does have a little bit of like black on black embroidery on the collar. Oh my goodness, just absolutely beautiful. I'm just gonna undo the tassel so you can kind of see it like hanging a little bit in the little V-neck. That is everything that I got from Greg and from Stacy. Thank you both so much from the bottom of my heart. I appreciate all of the support that I'm giving here on my channel. If you ever want to send me mail, I do have my mailing address in the box. I have received some really amazing things from viewers and friends, and I don't typically open them up on camera, but I thought since I got both of these in one, trip to the post office, and one was essentially a haul, I thought that I would open it. So anyways, thank you so much, and I hope you enjoyed this video. I need to pay it forward and think of something to do because that was just so kind. All right, that's all for now, everybody. I'll be back soon with a new video. Thanks so much for watching. I love you guys, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.